Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss with how to create a toast information in Android applications. So to create a toast information, we need an application here. So we'll create one new application here. So right click on Project Explorer, go for Android application project. And then I will need to choose project here. So not choose, I need to create a project here, and after creating the project, okay, so now selected all the proper options over here, and next for next and next and finish. So this is a simple project which I have created right now, which is called my app, and will be having only one source, Java source, and then one XML file. So I'm going to put some information into the XML file. Means I want to change this XML file relative layout to linear layout. Alright. Then I'll remove these things and close it. Then we'll do Android column orientation equals to vertical. Then next I don't need. I'll just take one button here. Button Android column layout height Android column layout width Android column text display toast. I'm going to take display toast and Android column ID equals to @ID btn disp toast. Alright, so this is the linear layout. I need to close this. Okay, it's done now. So go for the graphic layout. So I'm able to see one display toast button over here to the graphic layout. Right now I will run this application. Right click and run as Android application. Right, I'm getting output over here. So this application is showing display toast button to me right now. So right now what I need to do is in main.activity, I need to handle the event that was generated by this button here. This button is going to generate an on-click event here. So that event I need to handle here. So in the main activity, let's go for the main activity, and then what I need to do, I need to access that button on the main activity. So here, so I need to create a button here, button B. Now once I created a button B, then I need to access that under the Java file. See, right now what I will do, B equals to, so this I am typecasting here, B equals to button of find view by ID. So here r.id dot btn disp toast. Okay, so in this statement, so B is the button object. Button I'm typecasting because this is the find view by ID is a method which will obtain the ID from the r.java file. So here the generated file what we have discussed in our previous tutorials, the generated file will be having an ID class here. From that ID class I am accessing btn disp toast, which is pointing to this activity main XML file button. So the button control which is under activity main XML file, that to that actually this r.java file is pointing using the ID in a class here. So next in main.activity, what I need to do, I need to put b.set on click listener of this. I need to mention the b.set on click listener this. So once I put this one, I have to implement on-click listener. So here I have to go for let main activity implements on-click listener here, and then override all the methods which are there in that interface, because once we implement any interface we need to override methods which are there in the interface. So right now add unimplemented methods. So here the only one method is there, that is called onClick. What should I do once onClick has been called here? So that is I want to display a toast dot make text. So toast dot make text is it has for the context for us. My context is main activity dot this, and then the text is hello. Alright. The duration I have to mention toast dot length long dot show. This is it, our application. So it will display the toast method. This toast is a class which is used to display the toast using the make text method. So make text method requires the context, the text, and the length of the activity. Means this length mentions the how much time that toast should display. So here save this and run it again. Right click on my app, run as under application. Right, this output is coming now. So if I click on this display toast, of course I am getting hello and the toast information over here. So this is what we call as a toast informations in Android. So thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorials we can see more applications.